All right, so this problem looks like it's number 11 out of 8.3. And the student asked me to do the problem. She got it correct, but she just wasn't sure. She kind of had an idea, but it wasn't sure exactly how to sort of set it up. So let's see if we can't figure this thing out, and we'll get started here. So it says the fixed cost for producing an item is $120, okay? And 10 items cost 4,190 to produce. Express the total cost C of x in terms of x, the number of items produced. Okay, so when it says here the fixed cost, x is going to stand for the number of items produced, okay? So when we're dealing with the fixed cost, that means we're not even making any items yet, and our cost at 0 items is already $120. And then we know that at 10 items, our cost at 10 items is going to be $4,190, okay? So a couple of things we can do here. We can think about, these are my x coordinates and these are my y coordinates and these are my x coordinates and these are my y coordinates. So I can think about the slope of a line, right? Let me go back to black because it seems like it pulls it better. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So I can take 4190 minus 120 over 10 minus 0. Okay, I'm going to pull up my calculator app, guys. So let's see. Clear that out. 4190 minus 120 gives me 4070. Come back here. We have 4070 over 10. And I know that's just going to give me 407. Okay. So this is my slope. Okay. That's my m. So if you remember, a lot of times we would write our equation like c equals mx plus b. And so in this case, I would have c equals m, which we just found to be 407x. You know what? I know it's kind of hard to see with the black here. Let's try red. Oh yeah, that's coming up pretty good. 407x plus. Now the b part is always going to be the y value when x was 0. Well, the y value when x was 0 was 120. And so here's our answer. And again, that's the same answer that she marked there. And if you notice, it was correct. But this would be the process and how I'd go about doing it. Okay.